Hello friends, I welcome you in today's online class. Today we are going to discuss about paper number 11 entitled Language and Linguistic in semester 5th. The course objectives of this paper are to orient students to the concept of communication, to make the students familiar with varieties of the English language, to acquaint students with different level of the studies of language, and to study the basic units of grammar. Let me explain you course outcomes of this paper. First, students know the concept of communication. Students are familiar with varieties of the English language. Students know different levels of study of the English language, and students know basic units of grammar. Let us move towards syllabus of this paper. This paper also has 4 modules. In the first module, you are going to study language and communication. So in this module, you are going to study various definitions of language. In the same way, salient features of language and human and animal communication systems. For these topics, we are referring Hockett's 7 Characteristics of Language, this book. Our second module is phonology. In phonology, you are going to study phonemes, stress, accent, and transcription. Then our third module is morphology. In morphology, you are studying word building. You are studying prefixes, suffixes, affixation, and then varieties of morphologies. Our second module is words. So in this module, you are going to study parts of speeches. In the same way, open class words, closed class words, and formal and functional labels of words. Now we are going to focus on question paper pattern, university question paper pattern of this paper. The paper's title, as you know, Language and Linguistics. So first question is objective type of question. Here 5 phonemes will be given, and you are supposed to write phonemic transcription of three phonemes and 3 term labels. 3 term labels you are supposed to give it. Means does that phoneme come under is it plosive, it is fricative, affricate, etc. Then it's is it nasal, is it lateral? We will study all those terms. Then B is transcription of word with primary stress. So there are different type of stress: primary stress, secondary stress. Then you will going to study this topic also in detail. It carries 3 words are given to you, and you are supposed to write all words with primary stress. It carries 3 marks. Our C sub question in first objective type of question is that conversion of given transcription to the conventional spellings. This conversion of given means conventional spellings are given to you, and you are asked to write phonemic transcription of those words. And it also carries 2 marks. Means first question is objective type of a question, and it carries 8 marks. And these means you can score 8 out of 8 also. Then our second question is write short notes. 3 short notes will be given to you, and you are supposed to write 2, and these short notes will be set on module first. That module first is about the language, characteristics of language, and animal and human communication. Our second is B in second question. It is a morphological analysis. 4 words will be given to you and you are supposed to analysis 2 words. It also carries 4 marks. Question number 3 is identification of word formation or the morphological process. It also carries 4 marks, and its B part is identification of word classes. Means here you are supposed to give the formal labels of these words. 4 words will be given. And question number 4 is write short notes. Again 4 short notes will be given and you are supposed to write 2 short notes. Questions will be set on module 2nd and 4. I am sure that you understood well. Thank you very much.